Welcome to Express with Food. Today we are gonna make bread stuffed with chocolate. All ingredients measurements are given in the description box below. For this, first we'll start with a thick chocolate sauce for the filling. You will need cocoa powder, fresh cream and sugar. Mix all the ingredients well and then blend it in a blender. Here you can use Malai instead of fresh cream if it's not available. You can increase the quantity of the sugar depending on your taste. While blending, you can also add a little bit of milk. After blending, this should be the consistency of your sauce. Keep the sauce in the refrigerator for at least 15 minutes. For bread, I have divided the process into two parts. For the first part, you'll need milk, yeast and sugar. Add all the ingredients together. Here the temperature of the milk is very important. Use lukewarm milk to activate the yeast. I have used powdered sugar and instant yeast. Don't use dry yeast as it takes much longer time to activate. Mix well, cover it, keep it in a warm place to rest for 10 minutes. The yeast has been activated really well. You can see the foam above. The second part, you will need all-purpose flour, salt, baking powder and oil. Into the activated yeast mixture, add oil, mix well and then add baking powder and salt. Mix it well before adding all-purpose flour. Don't add the flour all at once. Add it gradually. Add the first cup and mix it well. Make sure there are no lumps before adding another cup. Herein goes the second cup. For the third cup, you might want to use your hands. At this point, you might feel the dough really sticky. You need it for more couple of minutes. For binding, you can use a little bit of oil. Needed for more couple of minutes. I have added a little bit of milk to combine the dough. Needed for more couple of minutes dough and keep it in a warm place to rest for 1 hour. The dough has fluffed up really nice. Add a little bit of oil on your hand and knead it well again for a couple of minutes. I'm dividing the dough for equal proportions. Now it's time to roll the dough. Dusting is optional. If you're not comfortable directly, you can always use all-purpose flour and dust the surface so that the dough will roll without sticking onto the surface. You don't have to make a perfect circle. It's fine if it's weirdly shaped. For filling, I have removed the chocolate sauce from the fridge and it has thickened really well. Take a dollop of the filling and place it in a corner. Flip it to the center. Use a little bit of water to make it stick, like so. Cut the remaining dough vertically. Roll the dough from the side of the filling till the end. After rolling it, give it a little arc so that it looks like a C. Before placing it onto the baking tray, apply a little bit of oil and then place it on the baking tray. I'm showing the process one more time without dusting all-purpose flour. Brush a little bit of milk on top. I'm taking a vessel which is deep enough so that I could keep my bread in the center. Add enough salt to cover the surface of the pan. Put a stand in center. You can use any other small vessel so that the bread will not touch the surface directly. Cover the utensil for 10 minutes at high flame to preheat. Now place the tray on the stand very carefully. Now cover the pan and let it cook for 40 to 45 minutes on a low to medium heat. With the half dough, I had made roughly around 12 to 15 croissants. With the remaining half dough, I'm gonna make a whole loaf of a bread stuffed with a chocolate sauce. For this, I'm not gonna roll the dough, I'll just spread the dough with my hands. I'm adding the remaining thick chocolate sauce. I'm rolling the dough, making sure that the chocolate sauce do not come out of the dough. Brush milk on top of the dough. Cook the bread for 40 to 45 minutes on low to medium heat. You can see the bread has fluffed up really well. It's crispy from outside and spongy from inside. It's just perfect. All ingredients measurements are given in the description box below. If you like my video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.